Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to talk about price discount. This is a new feature that Amazon doing and it's really exciting, and I'll tell you why it's exciting. So if you look at this product, it's selling now at $29, but it's telling us it was almost $60. So if you click on it, one customer clicking on it will see that there is that kind of reduction, 50% off, cross on the old price, and then 29, that's the new price. So the customer will see that reduction, which looks amazing. But this was not possible before. Long time ago, it was possible. When I first started on Amazon, that was possible. But then something nasty started happening. What Amazon started doing is anybody reduces the prices more than, let's say, a couple of dollars, let's say $2 or $3, then you will lose the buy box. What it means, even if you're the only person selling it, what it means is when somebody wanted to add you to the basket, they won't see you. They won't find you in here, in that box. So that obviously causes a problem. The other problem that would cause, your ads will not be showing. If you don't own the buy box, so if you're not visible for the customer to add you to the basket, your BPC will not run. Your ads will not run. So that would be a problem. So what people will start doing is, if they wanted to reduce the price a lot, let's say more than 30%, then they will have to do it gradually. And they have to sell on the new price. So if you basically reduce it each time, $1 or $2, and then sell at that new price and then reduce it. That's the only way you could reduce it. Otherwise, you would lose the buy box and you would lose the ability to do your ads. So that was not nice. So in order to get that strike through an old price and getting basically the new price for the customer, that was not possible. Now, with price discount feature, this is possible. And this is really amazing. And I'll show you how this one works. So you would go to your advertising, everything happens in advertising, and then price discounts. So the first thing we need to do, choose the market. Okay, so we'll choose Europe, and then after that, create a price discount. Now you need to choose the country. So which country is this price discount applied to? So I say we choose the UK, and then choose your account name, and then the start date. And the finish date shouldn't be more than a month. So Amazon will not give you more than a month. So, and then audience type, all customers. So there is options that it's available only to Prime customers. No, we do all customers. And then fixed price. This is up to you what you want to do. Either percentage off or fixed price. I think fixed prices looks more easy to see the price discount. And then just do internal description so you know which promo it is. I'll write just anything that example to remember. Okay, and then add your products. We'll add the product, the apparent ASIN, and search, and then I will get all the prices here. If you don't want to do a discount one of the ASIN, you can just tick them and delete them. Okay, but we'll do discount to each one of them. So what we do is add. You can have done add to all of them from the parents, or you can just do individually add, and if you want to remove one of them, you just remove. Okay, we'll do add. I'll do price discount to all of them. All of them are done except this one, and then set discount and committed units. Okay, so now these are the prices. So what is this discounted price? So either 5% off, or you can basically decide what prices you wanted to add. Okay, I wanted to give 10% off. Okay, let's see how much is that. If that gives me 23%. Okay, that gives me 15% off. Okay, so that's fine. And then you need to write the stock, how many you wanted the stock sold at this price. Okay, if you are still profitable, you can do the whole stock if you want, but you can commit to how much stock. I'll do just 50 for this one, and this one I'll leave this 11%. So Amazon already give us a suggestion. So if I do $9.49, that would be 21%. So this one, I've got a lot of stock. So what I'm going to do is I'll do $8.99. Yeah, so 25% off. That's fine. Don't mind giving the 700 if it got sold. This one doesn't have stock anyway. And then $8.99 and 900 for that one. I'm still profitable with that, so that's fine. And then the same for that one as well. There's 0 there, so 0. We're not going to give any discount, okay? Oh, I will remove it. Out of stock for this one, so we'll remove that one too. So all the discounts are done now, and how many units I've committed to, and then I press submit. So this should update the new prices for me. So all the discounts are done now, and how many units I've committed to, so this should update the new prices for me. So it's upcoming, 4 products, upcoming, it's always telling us when it's going to be ready. So this is it. This is how you do your price discount, and it's going to be amazing without actually losing the buy box, and you're committed to certain amount. So let's say you've got discount, let's say you have overstock of one product, reduce it, sell off that overstock, and then go back to your normal price. So this is amazing tool. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, please subscribe and share. Thank you.